Summer days, I still remember your name. Summer days, sweet fragrance still smells the same. Like better days, but just from this. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm a lot more energized. I filmed 2 videos today, and I told you guys I've been getting like these headaches, and this last one today just knocked me off my feet. But I had a protein shake, and I'm collecting myself. So, as you can tell by the title, this is gonna be my high-end shoe collection. I have 4 pairs of high-end shoes. So, this is not to brag or anything, but it's just like makeup and wigs and lashes. Shoes are my other passion. I love, like, some women like high-end bags or high-end wigs or high-end something. My thing is high-end shoes. No, I don't just go out and ball out at the Gucci store because I can't afford that. But if I see a pair of shoes that I really like that are higher end, I save up for them. I'm just going to show you guys my high-end shoe collection. I love them. I wear them really often. And this is just for those fellow shoe lovers out there. So without further ado, I'm gonna be showing you guys some of my high-end shoes. So the first pair we're gonna start out with are Balenciagas. I keep these in the dust bag, but these are my Balenciaga triple S's. These are the 42s. These are not the highest ones, I don't think. I think it's like a 44. But I love these shoes. I got these from Neiman Marcus. I love these. I love the yellow is my favorite color. If you guys know what my favorite color is yellow. So I love the yellow on gray. And I like the height of these. I'm already 5'9", and these do give me a bit of height. These are so comfortable. They're not too heavy. And this is Balenciaga on the bottom. I love these a lot. And I feel like with this color, this colorway, they go with a lot of my clothing that I already have in my closet. Yeah, you would think, well, I thought they were going to be really heavy because, like, my Jeffree Scotts are really heavy, my Patrick Ewings are really heavy, so I don't wear them as often. But I feel like in these, I don't feel as weighed down. So, yeah, I love these a lot. And they just have, like, the mesh material on the top. And I like the yellow. And these don't get too much wear, but they get worn enough. My next pair are my Balenciaga trainers. I got these from the Balenciaga store in Soho. These are so comfortable. I actually wear these to work in. Sometimes they're so comfy. Oh, and size-wise, these run big. So normally I'm a size 9.5 to 10 in men. These are a size 8. Because they run so big. I love the combo of black, white, and red. Like, black, white, and red is my favorite combo. So I went ahead and that's why I got these colorway of these. Like I said, it's super comfortable. I like that sock material on the top. I wear these a lot. I wear them so much. Because it's easy to slip these on and leave. You know what I mean? So these are another pair that I have. Yeah, these are old. You've all seen these. I've had these for like 3 years, 2 years, a couple of years. And my triple S's I've had since September or October of last year. Next pair are my babies. These are my Alexander McQueens. These are in a size 9 in men's. They fit really well. I feel like I could have gotten away with that. I should have gotten a 9.5. But these took so long to come that I bought these we've all been shopping during the quarantine. I bought these during like quarantine, and I really wanted some new shoes. So I bought 3 new pairs of shoes. And this was one of them. It got like a little sticker on it. It says 42. I got these from NeimanMarcus.com. Yeah, it took so long to come that I don't feel like shipping them back to just get them to wait. It's too much. But I got them with the white and with the gold. I love, like, look how that gleams. Like, I love this. I feel like everybody has the white and black or the white and red or the white and blue. I haven't seen too many people with the white and gold, so that's why I got these. These are perfect for every day. I've worn these to go to Walmart. I've worn these to go to Kroger, to go down to Lenox. I actually went walking in Piedmont Park with my boyfriend, but they're super simple. I like them because the simplicity of them. I'm not a big fan of big logos, like not to, I don't want to mention brands. People think I'm trying to trash these brands, but I don't like big logos. So I like how it's like really modest, like Alexander McQueen here. It's on the tongue. Like, it's real simple. A perfect shoe. As far as comfort goes, these are okay as far as comfort. They're not my most comfortable shoe, but they're not the most uncomfortable shoe either. They're pretty cool. Of course, I have to keep them clean because they're mostly white. But I love the platform so these are my other pair, and I've only worn these a handful of times. I haven't worn them much. And the last pair is really special to me because my mom got these for me during the quarantine from Nordstrom, and these are my Comme des Garçons play Converse. I've been wanting these for a while, but in my mind, I'm like, I'm not paying $150 for a pair of Converse. That's not gonna happen. So my mom knew I really wanted them, but she got them for me. But I went online and I saw that like they're not just another regular pair of Converse. They're like the 70s Converses, so they're the canvas is a lot more durable, a lot thicker. The sole is a lot thicker. Just the overall quality is like so much more advanced, and I think that's why, and with the brand, that's why the price point is so much higher. I'm not as excited about that as I am about the Converse Chuck Taylor logo on the side. I don't know why I love that. These are really, really comfortable. I've only worn them once. Like, I like these a lot. I consider them high-end because of the price point and of course the brand that they're associated with. And these are a size men's 9 because Converse run big. So I always know when it comes to Converse and Vans, I need to wear a size 9 because a size 10 I'll look like I'll like I have clown feet. So I have these as well. Alright everybody, those are my 4 pairs of high-end shoes. Some people feel like, you know, paying $900 or $1,000 for a pair of shoes is too much. I feel like it's too much too, but I feel like life is too short. When you die, you can't take the money with you. You can't take the shoes with you either, but while you're here, you know, do what makes you happy, and like these make me really, really happy. I can't wait to show you guys how I display them in this room when I finally do an apartment tour, but I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you guys want to see me do more clothing and shoe videos on my channel. Let me know. This is just me trying to like dabble into that world. So let me know, and I love you girl to absolute pieces, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.